Make sure to like and subscribe.
I'm doing a quick video on using the TimeCapsule 10-year AirTag container or device that extends the battery life from 1 year to 10 years. I'm gonna try one out. I bought 4 of these. The other ones I put lithium. I put these batteries that are here. But I'm gonna do a test on using regular alkaline batteries, my Duracell ones, and see how long life I get out of it. This is what this video is about, just using regular batteries with this. And see the issues I come up with, maybe with leakage or anything like that. I'll let you know, I'll update the video. It is June 3rd, 2025. And if it's 6 months later, please write something below asking me what's the update on this actual item. And I will write back and let you know yay or nay on what's going on with it. If any leakage happens or any issues happen with it, I will definitely update the video. But you can write below if it's a few months later, and I'll let you know how's it going with using regular alkaline batteries. And I'm gonna see what the noise works. Hold on one moment. Hear the noise. Hold on one moment. I heard it just now. I could hear it. You could barely hear it on the video. You can't hear it on the video, but I heard it. Anyway, it's making the noise when it gets power. And I'm going to try with regular AA alkaline batteries and see how it works. Do not do this. This is just me trying it out. You could run the risk of damaging your item. According to the instructions, only use these. I'm doing this for testing it myself because these batteries are a lot cheaper than these batteries. It's working. It's got power. Let me play sound from, for some reason this speaker is really, really low on the actual AirTag. So I'm gonna try it out, see what happens. Give me write to me below. I usually answer within a day or two. I'll check it to see how it's doing. And if everything's good, I'll let you know. So I'm hoping that the alkaline batteries at least give me 2 or 3 years or 4 years. It'll be great. All right, I'm doing my test. Do not do what I'm doing. I'm just doing it myself. Alkaline batteries leak. Lithium batteries don't. So lithium batteries for a device that's gonna be put away for 10 years or tracking something for 10 years, probably are better off using the lithium batteries. This is just for me to see how yay or nay it works with regular batteries. All right, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Please like and subscribe to my dad's channel.